Go.
Hi everyone, my name is Justin Sanders, and today I'm going to talk to you about installing a GFCI outlet in your house. First of all, let's start by the tools that you need for your install. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to need a Sharpie and some colored tape that's not black. Doesn't matter what kind of tape as long as it's not black. Now, there are two different kinds of GFCI outlets commonly found in most homes, a 3-wire and a 5-wire. For this demonstration, we're going to talk about a 5-wire. Okay? This is what a GFCI outlet looks like. It's got a ground connection here, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 connections on the back. Now, before we talk about that, let's talk about how it would look on your wall. It's going to look somewhat like this behind a normal plate. The plate's going to have either 1 or 2 screws. Most likely they're going to be flathead. So you take the plate off with your flathead screwdriver, then you're going to see this. There's a screw here and a screw here which holds this in place so it doesn't move. These are generally Phillips head. So you'll take this screw completely out, this screw completely out, pull out your outlet. Now, on the back of your outlet, at the top, there's a load, which is power coming into it, and there's a line, which usually, if you have another outlet connected to it, that's where it hooks up. On one side, you'll see where it says white. On the other side, you'll see where it says hot wire. The hot wire is generally black. So, what I would do is if you have a white, a black, and a green for your ground, I would take your Sharpie, like this. I would put one mark, one simple dash on the top wire that comes in on the white side. Then on the bottom wire, I would put 2. And then corresponding on your outlet, you would put 1, 2, like that, on the outlet you're going to install. Now, you go to the black side. The problem with this is you can't use it on your black wire. That's what your tape is for. Take a little piece of tape that you have that's not black, rip it up, and wrap it around the wire that you're actually going to install on this top part. So you tear a little piece of tape off like this. Now on your outlet itself, you're going to put that piece of tape. Now, the only other black wire is the other one. You don't need to mark that. So now, you're going to take your screwdriver and you're going to loosen this up. And I'm going to show you up close how these work. Inside here is where you would put your wire. Okay, so as you loosen these screws, it gets wider. So you simply take your marked wires that you marked, 1, 2, with the white one, put the 1 in the 1, tighten up, 2, tighten up. Your tape part, tighten up, and your bottom one, tighten up. And then you put your green, because all ground wires are going to be green in your ground spot. Once you're done basically. At that point, you just put these screws back in, and then you put your plate back in, and you're done. I hope that makes it easy and simple for you to install a GFCI outlet in your house.